Our topic for today is all about operations of functions. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition of functions. Operations of functions, meaning functions can be combined to form new functions. This is done by performing operations on functions. The following may be done. Let f of x and g of x be functions and c any real number. So c is the constant. So we have addition f plus g of x. Number 2, subtraction f minus g of x. Number 3, scalar multiplication c times f of x. So c is the constant or the number. Number 4, multiplication f times g of x. Number 5, division f divided by g of x, provided g of x is not equal to 0. So, pag si g ay nag-0, magiging undefined. And number 6, composition f composed with g of x or f of g of x. So let's have a review first about rules of positive and negative sign. So marami sa inyo yung nalilito sa mga sign. The same sign is addition. So positive and positive is equal to positive. Example, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next, negative and negative is equal to negative. Example, negative 6 minus 3. So, dahil same sign, magiging add, then copy lang yung sign. So this is negative 9. Next, different sign is subtraction. Positive and negative, negative and positive is equal to, so copy the sign of the larger number. Examples, so 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So 6 yung positive, then negative 3 yung negative. So magiging positive 3 dahil mas mataas si positive 6 kaysa sa negative 3. Next, we have negative 6 plus 3. So negative and positive magiging minus. So negative 6 is greater than positive 3. So yung answer is negative. Next, negative 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. So 6 is greater than negative 3. So our answer is positive 3. And last, 3 minus 6 is equal to negative 3. So negative 6 is greater than 3. So that negative 3 is the answer. Next, multiplying or dividing same sign is equal to positive. So positive and positive is equal to positive. Example, 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Next, we have negative and negative is equal to positive. Example, negative 6 times negative 3. So, negative times negative, magiging positive. So, 6 times 3 is equal to 18. So, the answer is positive 18. Multiplying or dividing different sign is equal to negative. So, positive and negative is equal to negative. Negative and positive is equal to negative. So, examples. So, 6, positive 6 times negative 3 is equal to negative 18. So, positive times negative is equal to negative. Then, 6 times 3 is 18. So, same as negative 6 times 3, negative times positive, negative 6 times 3 is 18. So, paulit-ulit lang siyang negative 18. So, sana po maisulat niyo po ito sa inyong notebook. So, let's have addition and subtraction. Addition, subtraction.